Alright guys, just a short little issue that we're having with our C-Class Mercedes-Benz W204. It's a 2007 model. Right now, well, I'll show you what happens basically. I'm going to start the engine and start driving off, and we will get a message coming up on the message center here. So I'm just going to reverse out here. We are on private land, so it's okay to use the camera at the same time. I'm going to start driving there. One rear seat belt engaged. However, there are no seat belts engaged, in fact, at all. So it's a bit annoying why it's telling us this, really. So if anybody has any ideas, hints, tips, tricks, or why this is happening, be greatly appreciated, and we can hopefully fix this issue. Thank you very much for your help. Comments below.